Hello everyone. In this video I am going to talk about problem set 0. This problem set you already solved and you upload in the Moodle. But some students they ask me what is the answer for these problems. So now I am going to give the answer for this problem. Actually these problems in this problem set you are asked to solve the three problems. Okay, three questions are there, but here you are going to use only the print statements. Here there is no any arithmetic calculation or any logical operations you are not using in the program. Just you are going to use the print statement. So see the problem 1, problem 0. Actually the problem 0, you need to print the output. These are the output you need to print using the print statement, nothing else. Okay, so now very simple way I will tell you how to print this output. First you can copy the entire text. Okay, these outputs we want to print. Okay, you copy the entire text and you put it in the spider. Okay, now here you can write the print statement, print. Okay, so this is just a text, so that you have to give inside the double quote, okay, and here you have to replace this text with your id. What is your id? 26SJ123. Okay, this is your id. And the next statement also you can put another one print statement, another one print function. Inside that print function you can put the text. Here you type your name, Asma. Okay, so now finish the first two lines, you will get the output. Next, if you see the output, next you need to print the, after that you have to give one line, empty line. Okay, then you need to print these dashed lines. Okay, so for printing the empty line you can put one escape character \n, so that one empty line will be printed after the student name. Here you are going to print one empty line, so that this empty line also, and not empty line, here you have to print the one dashed line. Okay, so I put inside the print statement. Next students, next you need to print the column heading. The column heading, there is some what I can say, some instruction is given there in the program. You see the instruction. What is the instructions? The code is indented by 2 space from the left of the first column. The name is indented by 11 spaces from the left of the second column. Mark is indented by 1 space from the left of the third column. So here you have to give the 2 spaces. Just you put 2 space 1 2. Okay, and this vertical bar you have to keep it like this. And the name should be given 11 space. It should be indented by 11 space. Okay, so I will make it 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, after this vertical bar you can keep it like this. Okay, then mark this column mark is indented by 1 space, so here you can put 1 space. Okay, then after that you can close the string, then close the print function. Finish students. Then there is another dash line. This dash line also you can put inside the double quotation. Okay, this is just like string, so if it is a string you have to put inside the double quotation. So all the print statements are printing the double quotation. Okay students, next these are the the subject code and the subject name and the mark should be printed. So these also you can put inside the print function. Okay, inside the print function you can put. So how it is there, so we can keep like this, one space, and okay, I align this so that you will get the proper output. See this, we need to produce similar output which is given in the problem set. So next I will use another print function, okay. I will align the text so that I will get the proper output. See that, then finally I will close the string and I will close the print function. Then last print function I will use print. Okay, this line also should be aligned to get the proper output. Okay, I align like this, then I will close the string and I will close the function. Now it is okay students. Now you run the program and see the output. Now I am running the program and you see you will get very nice output. Okay, now students, one more thing we need to do, that is before you submit your code, you have to include your file name and student ID and student name as the comment lines. So just you can copy this and you put in the beginning of the program. All the program you have to write like this. These all are very good practice. Writing the comment lines in the program is very good practice. Okay, your ID is our ID is 26J123. Okay, this is our ID for example, and name is Asma. So that's all students. This is the program. So you save this program as transcript. This is the name of the program. Okay, this is the Python program. I save as the transcript. So this is the program, very simple program. Only using print function you can produce the output. Now once again I will show the output. See the output students. Yeah, so we got the very nice output. Thank you students.